Good afternoon, it's Finale here with RMI once again. I hope everyone's having a fantastic week. Today I just want to touch in a little bit on U.S. taxation. It's been a question we've been getting in our office quite often these days. Either for individuals who are American citizens, there's some tax consequences there, or as well for business owners that are looking to actually expand their business or do some business in the States. Those are the common questions we've been asking. What's the impact? How does it look? So the first thing I want to touch on is anybody that is an American citizen, even though you might be living in Canada as a resident, you do actually have a tax filing requirement for the US. And so that's very important to know. It could come back and have an impact if you're trying to cross the border or on some of your estate filings, or if you ever want to do business down in the States, if you're not up to date with your tax filing. So it's really important to make note of that and make sure you stay up to date on an annual basis there. And for anybody who's trying to do business down in the US, it's really important you set your structures up correctly. One of the most common things I've heard is somebody come to me and say, oh, I'm looking at expanding my business. I talked to a US accountant and they told me to set up with an LLC. It's a common structure that works very well for American residents, but as a Canadian, if you actually have an LLC corporation, it can become pretty detrimental because it can create double taxation for you. So it's one of those things that's always great to talk about, sit down and really plan that structure out. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office and we're more than happy to help on that side. Once again, it's Finale from RMI and I hope you all have a great week.